Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix UK Immigration ID Check app not working. So if you're currently also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your app and instead you're going to go into your settings app on your phone. So go into your settings app and then on this page what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here and click on storage. So click on storage and then just wait for this page to completely load in here. And when it's done, then what you're going to do, you're going to click on the blue search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the blue search symbol. Now in here just write UK immigration as you can see and just click on the app in here. And then what you're going to do on this page is to just click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this page to load and then click on the blue button here again. So now what you're going to do, you're just going to simply wait for the app to completely update to the newest version, because sometimes when they do release a newer version, then there might be like bugs and stuff like that on the previous version, and that might be one of the reason why your app is not working. So try to do this and then go back into the app and try again, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.